this next generation compact premium vehicles and the production of those vehicles at our plant in Aguascalientes. And Aguascalientes is the first production location we are announcing. Infiniti and Mercedes will also produce jointly developed vehicles independently at separate plants on 3 continents. The scope of this project shows how our collaboration has become truly global in scope. Why are we working more and more closely together? First, this helps us achieve our objectives in the premium segment. Infiniti's goal is to capture 10% of the global premium vehicle market. To do so, we need to expand our model range, particularly in the growing compact premium segment. By partnering with Daimler on development and production costs, Infiniti will move faster and achieve greater economies of scale. Ultimately, this project is about being competitive with the best in class. Infiniti and Mercedes-Benz engineers will collaborate at every stage of development, from advanced engineering, design, to production. That will ensure these vehicles are distinctive in design, features, and specifications. Ultimately, the efficiency we generate in our development and production will translate into higher value cars for our respective customers. Today, both Dieter and I are even more optimistic about the future of our cooperation. We share a common mindset that everything is on the table. We have encouraged our teams to look at every idea and proposal to see how they can make it work to benefit both companies. Most importantly, our teams have developed respect for each other and have embraced a productive spirit of cooperation. By bringing their ample skills to the table, both teams have benefited and learned from one another. I'd like to conclude with a few words about our operations in Mexico. In 1966, Mexico became the first country to manufacture Nissan cars outside of Japan when it inaugurated the Cuernavaca plant. Nissan launched the Aguascalientes plant in 1992 with significant expansions just in the many years following it, and particularly in the past year. In November, Nissan opened the first phase of a $2 billion manufacturing complex in Aguascalientes. Aguascalientes is one of our best, most efficient plants with a highly skilled and productive workforce that has a long track record of top-level performance. From Cuernavaca to Aguascalientes, Nissan's Mexican industrial footprint now consists of 3 assembly plants with a capacity of more than 850,000 vehicles annually when fully ramped up. And the news today adds an additional 300,000 units of annual production capacity at full ramp-up. That means we will have an annual production capacity of more than 1.1 million vehicles in Mexico by 2020. We know our workforce is capable of producing top-quality vehicles in every segment of the market. Our decision to select this site reflects that confidence.